Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for September 2023. In this class we will be creating 6 handmade cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be making my cards with 2 stamp sets. I'm going to be using the Autumn Leaves bundle, which includes the stamp set and the Autumn Leaves dies, or the Bold Bouquet bundle, which includes the stamp set and the Bold Bouquet dies. You can choose one of these bundles that I am going to do, or you can choose your own stamp set. Look for images that work well with autumn colors and have bold images. We will be playing with fun fall colors and creating beautiful cards with leaves and/or flowers. I will also be sharing some blending techniques on some of the cards. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful cards. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in one of these 2 corners. Or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link for that is below in the description box. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be creating in this fun class. We are going to be playing with beautiful color combinations for fall. And I love how the paper, ink, colors, and bold images all work together. There will be some techniques I will be sharing on a couple of the cards, so you'll need a couple blending brushes or other tools. I will share more of this information in just a couple minutes. I have also designed the inside of each card with coordinating images and groupings to mimic the front of the cards. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, September 25th through Saturday, September 30th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for this session during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through the Google form or my blog at creativechelsea.com. And the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, September 10th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit includes so many fun products. It will have the cardstock, card bases, and envelopes, everything you need to make the cards. However, there'll be no pre-cut shapes included. There will also be a new pack of adhesive-backed speckled dots and a new copper and natural ribbon combo pack. You will get 12 6x6 sheets of All About Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper and 2 6x6 sheets of the Oxidized Copper Specialty Designer Series paper. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the ribbon and speckled dots. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability, Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the cards and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the PDFs with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store, and you can use the host code that I provide on my blog. You will need to choose a stamp set or bundle. I do recommend the Bold Bouquet bundle or the Autumn Leaves bundle. They do include coordinating dies, so make sure to get the bundle and not just the stamp set. You are also going to need some ink colors, and I am going to be using Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Mossy Meadow, Pumpkin Pie, Moody Mauve, Pretty Peacock. You will also need some layering circle dies and some blending brushes. I recommend having one for each of the ink colors. Our technique also does include some water, so you will want to have a water painter or a paintbrush and possibly a heat tool to dry the paper. And then we do have a couple cards that have some embossing. And so I'm going to be using the Distressed Tile 3D embossing folder. Here are the tools and adhesive you will need. You will want your Take-A-Pick tool, paper trimmer, Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine, some ribbon scissors, paper snips, Simply Chamois for cleaning your stamps. I also like to have a bone folder and some coordinating clear blocks. Then you will also want your favorite adhesives. I like the Stampin' Seal, liquid glue, mini Stampin' Dimensionals or the regular size, some adhesive sheets, tear and tape, and mini glue dots. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog or the Google Forms. Links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.